Hey everyone, welcome back. Now I will walk through the management self-service module, which is essentially an administrative module. To log in into this module, I will use the login credentials from my email address. This is the home page of the current module. In each sections of the module, you will find the help button. Inside the help button, you can access the details on how to work with all the sections of their respective modules. Please refer all these details before performing any operations in our module. If you are in the initial stage of the application, please focus on the first 3 points. Update the password as soon as you log in for the first time. Create a new branch which will be useful for the employee creation. Set up holidays which will be helpful for holiday calendar. As you can see, there are multiple features in this module such as users, manage holidays, broadcast message, branches, and editing our company's profile. In the users category, there are two sections such as add special user and edit users. First, I will walk through the edit user section. In this section, you can currently see 4 default special users such as admin user, finance user, HR user, and invoice user. Where admin user can log in into management self-service module, finance user can log in into finance module, HR user can log in into employee management module, invoice user can log in into invoice module, employees can log in into employee self-service module. Password for all users including employees can be edited. Now I will change the password for some of the special users. You can delete all the special users except the admin user and employees. However, you cannot change the email address for any special users and employees in this section. You cannot change the role of admin user and employee user, but you can change the role of the sum of special users. The roles can be HR, finance, and invoice. Next, I will walk through the add special user section. In this section, we can add special users by selecting their roles to HR, finance, and invoice. Please note that the provided email should be valid and it should be matchable with the company's domain. I will select the HR role. As you can see, the new special user has been added. Now I will move on to the manage holidays sections. Here you can add the holidays for the later use in the holiday calendar and to apply the leaves by an employee. You cannot add the holidays on Sundays. You will be notified with the confirmations for the past holidays. You will be notified with the confirmations for the Saturday holiday. You cannot delete the past days, but you can edit the any holidays. You can delete the future holidays. Now I will move on to the broadcast messages. Here you can broadcast the messages to all the employees in our application. As there are currently no employees in our system, I will proceed to create some of the employees in the employee management sections through the HR credentials. But note that for employee creation, we need a branch first. So let's create the branch. Now I will move to the branch section. Here we can add a branch for later use in the employee section, employee creation. The branch ID must be unique. Please ensure the correctness of your provided information. As you can see, branch has been added. You can use this branch while creation of the employees later in the HR section. And also please note that for the light and free users, you can only create one branch, but for the premium user, you can create any number of branches. To broadcast the messages, we need some employees. So I will move on to the next module, that is an employee management module for the creation of employees. This is the employee management module handled by the HRs. I will walk through all these sections in my next video. For now, just for broadcasting message, I will create one employee. As I said before, I will explain all these available options here in my next video. Here you can vomit the domains. The destinations can be selected based on the employee types. I will make this employee as a manager. I'm just randomly creating one of the employee. Please ensure the correctness of the provided information. As you can see here, we are using the branch for the creation of employee. As I said before, I will explain all the available options here in my next video. If we enter the wrong PAN number or IFSC code, it will be the sample of the example. Successfully, one employee has been created. Now I will broadcast the message for him. As I said before, the employee will also be visible in the admin section. Now I can broadcast message to all the employees in the system. Since there is only one employee, I will broadcast a message for him. As you can see, I have successfully broadcasted the message. Next, I will move on to the editing company profile. As mentioned before, you can update necessary fields in this section. However, be careful while updating these details because as they will be reflected throughout the entire application. You can also update the company's logo. Yeah, thank you.